The return of the wanderer. It has come back, the interstellar wanderer, brighter, sharper, and more haunting than ever before. Once again, the James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's golden eye suspended in the dark, has turned toward the unknown. And what it has seen is rewriting everything we thought we understood about the cosmos. For the first time in history, human eyes have captured a clear, breathtaking image of the mysterious three-eye Atlas, a lone traveler drifting beyond the edge of our solar system. This marks only the third known interstellar visitor ever found, following Oumuamua and Two-Eye Borisov. But unlike those faint, fleeting shapes, Webb has revealed this one in remarkable clarity. No blur. No illusion. No data glitch. It is a portrait, vivid, detailed, and alive with memory written in starlight. For astronomers, this is more than discovery. It is a bridge between worlds, a whisper from the deep dark between the stars. We are not simply observing a rock passing through our sun's domain. We are witnessing a fragment of another system, a world not born beneath our sky. Its image shows a rugged, glowing form, cracked and scarred, surrounded by a faint halo of reflected light, a shimmering trace of its long journey through the void. Webb's infrared gaze pierced the cosmic frost, revealing valleys, ridges, and fractures carved by ancient collisions. Unlike the sleek Oumuamua, three-eye Atlas is rough and primeval, a survivor shaped by both fire and ice. Spectral data show frozen carbon, silicates, and organic molecules, the same materials that form planets and perhaps even spark life. Proof that creation's ingredients travel freely through the galaxy, waiting for new worlds to welcome them. When the first image appeared, silence fell. For a long moment, no one spoke. Everyone understood that what they saw did not belong to our sun. It was a relic, a messenger from another star. Three-eye Atlas has been traveling for millions of years, its path carved through endless darkness until, by cosmic chance, it entered Webb's field of view. Beneath its icy crust, faint warmth lingers, perhaps from radioactive decay or the slow friction of rotation. This is no lifeless rock. It is a living relic, still evolving, still carrying the memory of its birth. First spotted by the Atlas Survey in Hawaii, a network built to find near-Earth asteroids, its hyperbolic path confirmed it came from beyond our sun. Ground telescopes tracked its motion, but Webb, above Earth's haze, revealed its true face. Webb's mirrors captured its chemistry, a fingerprint unlike anything seen before. Its composition hints at a system formed around a faint red dwarf, far different from our own. For the first time, humanity holds a tangible fragment of another solar system, a cosmic message carried across the Milky Way. Its reddish hue, painted by radiation-forged organics called tholins, mirrors the chemistry of comets that may have seeded life on early Earth. If these molecules can endure such journeys, then life's raw materials may be far from rare. They may roam freely among the stars, waiting for a planet to awaken them once more. Its uneven spin reveals a fragile cluster of rock and ice, debris held together only by gravity, cold, and time. Webb even saw faint jets of vapor escaping from its sunlit side, gentle breaths of ancient gas forming a glowing halo around the wanderer. That quiet exhalation turned Three-Eye Atlas into a phantom comet, glowing softly against the darkness. Each new observation reshaped what science thought it knew about how worlds are born, shattered, and scattered through interstellar space. It reminded us that the void between stars is not empty, it is alive with the dust of creation. When Webb's first transmission reached Earth, the scientific world fell silent once again. The data spoke of a story, a message written in chemistry and light. Astronomers had dreamed for centuries of this moment, to see, with clarity, a fragment of another world. And now, that dream had taken form in a photograph glowing with golden light. The longer they studied it, the more wondrous it became. 3I, ATLAS was neither comet nor asteroid, it was a survivor. A traveler born beneath a foreign sun. Its elemental pattern spoke of a cooler origin, a place orbiting a dim, fading red dwarf star. The ratios of carbon, oxygen, and nitrogen revealed something untouched by our sun's design, a chemistry from another corner of the galaxy. Its surface is a frozen landscape of ridges and plains, shattered and refrozen over countless millennia. A crust fused by radiation, scarred by ancient collisions, each mark a letter in the story of time itself. In false color, it glows in bronze and crimson hues, the signature of tholins, complex organic molecules shaped by the slow fire of cosmic rays. The same family of molecules once swirled through our own newborn nebula, perhaps helping to ignite life on the young Earth. For astrobiologists, this discovery was electrifying. Because if these compounds, the building blocks of biology, can survive the cold exile between stars, then life's ingredients are not unique to us. They are wanderers too, drifting endlessly through the galaxy, waiting for the right world, the right moment, the right warmth to awaken them again. The object itself tumbles slowly through space, a fragile cluster of fragments bound together by gravity, ice, and memory. Its rotation is uneven, almost hesitant, as though time itself has worn away its balance. Through Webb's golden mirrors, astronomers watched as faint plumes of vapor rose from its surface, the sunlight of our distant star gently stirring ancient pockets of frozen gas. Each breath of vapor formed a thin, shining veil around the traveler, a halo of light that shimmered softly in the darkness, like the ghost of a forgotten world still exhaling after eons of silence. No one expected this. An object older than Earth, born around another sun, should have been silent, frozen, inert. And yet, it breathes. A whisper of warmth still flickers within, a ghost of the star that once gave it life. That faint inner heartbeat transforms 3I, ATLAS from a relic into a living witness of cosmic history. A messenger from an ancient system, carrying the memory of its birth across unimaginable distances. If countless such wanderers roam the galaxy, then every solar system is scattering fragments of itself outward, tiny ambassadors of dust and chemistry, drifting from one sun to the next. Each fragment carries its own story, its own chemistry, its own potential for life. Together, they form a vast interstellar network of exchange, a cosmic circulation where stars nurture one another with material and memory. Perhaps 3I, ATLAS was once part of a young planet, torn apart by the fury of its parent star or hurled into space by gravitational chaos. Now it sails through eternity, carrying the story of that lost home. Every atom within it has journeyed farther than imagination can reach. And yet, through the precision of Webb's mirrors, those same atoms, born around another sun, now share their light with us. Each photon began its journey billions of kilometers away, crossing the frozen silence of interstellar space, until it met a machine of gold and glass built by human hands. It is the meeting of two creators, one natural, one intelligent. One forged by the universe, the other by curiosity. The triumph of Webb's vision is not only scientific, it is deeply human. It is a song sung across the ages, an echo of our endless hunger to know, to understand, to reach beyond ourselves. From the first stargazers who carved constellations into stone, to a telescope orbiting far beyond the moon, humanity has carried one unbroken dream, to look farther, and to find meaning in the dark. Even as 3I, ATLAS drifts away into the infinite night, its image remains with us, a symbol of connection between stars and souls, a reminder that the universe is not a silent void, but conversation written in light. Because exploration never truly ends. It only moves, from one horizon to the next. In the boundless space between suns, every wandering fragment carries a story. And in listening to those stories, we begin to understand our own. We, too, are wanderers, made of the same dust that drifts through galaxies, born from the same stellar furnaces that gave birth to worlds like this one. Somewhere, under another sky, another being may be looking up, wondering about us, as we now wonder about 3i, Atlas. And in that silent exchange, across impossible distance, we are no longer alone.